Transferring money to a TD Ameritrade account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to your TD Ameritrade account. Here, look for a section related to transfers, deposits or funding within your TD Ameritrade account. This is typically found in the account management or funding section. Choose the option to initiate an ACH transfer. You may need to link your bank account to your TD Ameritrade account if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to add your bank account information. Then provide transfer details. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Specify whether it's a one-time transfer or a recurring one. Review the details of the transfer to ensure accuracy. Confirm and submit the transfer. ACH transfers typically take a few business days to process. Monitor your TD Ameritrade account for updates.